The rot is deeper here than we thought. We'll need to reinforce this section. I'm cutting some timber now, sir. The roof needs immediate shoring. The plans indicate supporting beams here. Understood. I'll get the crew on it right away. The rot is extensive here.
Yes, mark that down. We need to replace the entire frame. The damage is extensive. We need to stabilize that left wall first.
Agreed. We should start clearing the main timbers now. The structure is sound here.
We'll need to reinforce the balcony before anything else.
Let's clear this rubble first.
The water damage on the balcony must be addressed immediately. The roof support structure. Check the beams. And the integrity of the main staircase here.
Yes, we'll reinforce both. The blockage is heavy here. We'll need to use the pry bar to loosen it up. All right, push hard. On three. 1, 2, 3. It's moving. Look at this ceiling. Serious damage up there. We need to secure it before anything else. Agreed. Let's start here. Look up at the beam. See the rot? Yeah. It's worse than we thought. We need to reinforce that first. Agreed. Let's start clearing this area. The rafters are weak. We need to replace these. Pronto. Watch out for that tarp. Hit that patch just below the balcony. Got it. This grime is thick. All right, over here. Heavy. Careful, it's heavy. Watch your step in the mud. All right, hold it steady. Easing the ropes. Watch your footing. Slow and controlled, bring it down.
Maybe a bit more right here.
Good idea. Bring it over here. All right, ready. Careful, it's heavy.
It's heavy.
That's it right there. Looks good. Keep piling it high. Careful with that one, it's heavy. We'll take this one over here.
I think we'll start with this window, then move on to the upper ones.
Good idea. The light's already better. Be careful with these, they're really brittle. Got it. Looks like we can save these.
All right, this board is really stuck.
Careful with the lead paint.
Got it, it's coming up.
Nice work. Check the joists underneath.
Careful where you mark that. Right here should do it.
Keep working on this section. This feels loose. Let's try here. Yes, that's better. Okay.
Seems clear now. Good. Let's start the scrape. Watch for debris. Already moving it.
The plans show we need to secure it right here with the new bracket.
Understood.
Aligning it now.
Keep it steady. Watch your fingers. Okay, almost there. Push it in. Let's test the swing. Look good.
The gutter bracket needs to be secured right there.
All right, I've got the bracket.
And the metal length is ready to clip in?
Yeah.
Perfect, let's see it.
The finish looks perfect.
Yes, it's holding well.
Let's do the other pillar next.
Keep working on that section. It's looking good, boss. We're almost done with this side. The stonework needs repair, especially this section. We'll start scraping here. We need to make sure these are perfectly centered before you drill. Understood. I'll double check the measurement. Keep it steady. Lower gently. Ready? Together. Watch the corner. Keep it level. Lower. Watch the corner. Steady. Slow, slow. It's touching. The track is secure here. Let's test this curtain. Looks good, smooth.
We should check the rest of the plans.
The countertop looks good. Perfect. Just finishing the wiring.
The plan calls for reinforcing this wall here.
Right, and extending the balcony support.
Exactly. Let's get these lights on.
Okay, power's up.
Lights are on, boss.
The stones are leveled and tapped into the sand bed. Loose grit is being brushed into the joints.
I've got the nickel for.
We'll reinforce this section with steel beams to ensure stability.
Yes.
But what about the water damage on the lower wall?
We can seal and replaster the whole facility.
The humidity is a problem.
If we seal it up, we need proper ventilation.
Let's bring in the engineers tomorrow. Keep working on this section. We will continue.
All right, so the plan is to reinforce the main columns first, then move to the balcony support.
Does that include replacing the damaged stone here?
Yes, absolutely.
All right, that's it for the table.
Looks perfect there. Let's do the sofa.
I think we should reinforce this wall here.
Yes, that's what I was thinking.
I think if we move this cabinet here,
We'll need to reroute the plumbing for the sink.
we're going to start sanding this wall. Good, let's keep the historical details.
I think we'll start with the main supporting beam.
Agreed.
Then we tackle the south wall. Let's be careful around the archway, sir.
The restoration is magnificent. It's truly a transformation. Absolutely perfect. All right, these new plans show we need to reinforce this section here.
Good.
Good.
Let's get the team on it right away.
I think the north wall needs shoring up first. We'll need more steel beams and more cement. The river brought some in today. Let's finalize the plan and start tomorrow. We need to reinforce this section here. Start with the lower beams.
Right. Got it.
We need to reinforce this beam here. The bamboo structure is sturdy,